Hey, my name is Marco Fenth. I'm 60 years old. I'm part Māori, and I'm in better shape now than I was in my 30s, 40s, and 50s. You see, I used to be 200 kilos, and I was mentally and physically broken down and bedridden. One day I realized I couldn't count on the medical system or the doctor or any specialist to help me with my chronic illness issues. I could only rely on myself, researching Ayurvedic principles, protocols, wisdom, experience of the ancient teachers and healers that had gone on before me. You see, in every country, there's an ethnic medical system. In New Zealand, it's called rongoa. In China, it's called traditional Chinese medicine. And in India, it's called Ayurveda. I picked Ayurveda because their scriptures go back to the beginning of recorded time, which is 5,000 years ago. Nowadays, modern Western medicine is not set up to make people well. You need to take responsibility and become your own teacher and your own healer with the help of the ancient ones and whatever else is available to you. If you want to become strong, healthy, and happy, subscribe to the Homeostasis newsletter where we will talk about herbs, superfoods, oils, yoga breathing, meditation, consciousness, and a special plant known as the miracle plant, the sister of man, a gift from the gods. So subscribe now and you'll also get the quick reference ebook, 55 Common Foods and Their Alternate Uses. Sign up now and become the health and wellness expert for your family.